Hey guys, thanks for joining us at Volunteer Airsoft. Today we've got footage from Stormbreaker 1, an outstanding event put on by Bushwookie Airsoft. Unfortunately, my GoPro did not cooperate, and I only came away with some Scopecam footage. I hope you enjoy it.
Somebody.
As you can see, it's very thick and difficult to spot your enemies. Made engagement distances fairly short, and pinpoint shots pretty much impossible.
Somewhere.
By this point, House Draken has pushed along the creek bed and captured one of the objectives. Now we have to push up a pretty steep hill.
Sorry. Did I get him?
I don't see.
He's behind the tree. See, there's two trees together? Left side, yeah. Do you see where I'm shooting?
I don't see them though.
He's behind the tree. He's to the bottom left. Sit down, Henry. You see him?
Pushing through the woods up the hill, we ran into a dug-in sniper.
Yeah, it's in his pant pocket. I get him. Hit! Off my helmet. Hit!
Well, no, we just got shot at from the top of the hill, so you might have been shot actually.
that's going to wrap it up for this video. I promise I'll have all my cameras set up and ready to go for the next event. Thanks for watching.